Did you know that the average person spends nearly $18 a day on things they don't really need? That adds up to over $6,500 a year. Imagine what you could do if you saved that much money. Today, we're exploring 10 creative ways to save money every day, and you might be surprised by some of the methods we discuss. Before we dive in, think about your biggest daily expense and drop a comment below. So, I'm curious to see what eats up most of your budget. First up on our list is automating your savings. This is a set it and forget it method that ensures you save money without even thinking about it. How does it work? You simply set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to a savings account every month, week, or even daily, if you prefer. You can choose an amount that fits your budget, and you might not even notice it's gone. But over time, these small amounts add up to a significant savings pool. Many banks offer features that round up your purchases to the nearest dollar and transfer the difference to savings. Imagine buying a coffee for $3.75. Your bank rounds it up to $4, and 25 cents goes straight into your savings. It's easy, effortless, and efficient. Our second tip is to try no-spend challenges. This might sound daunting, but it can actually be a lot of fun. Pick a day or even a week where you commit to not spending any money at all. No coffees, takeout, or online shopping. Just use what you already have. It forces you to get creative with what's in your pantry or wardrobe and helps you realize how many of your daily purchases are more about habit than necessity. To make it more engaging, involve your family or friends in the challenge and see who can stick to it the longest. You'll not only save money, but also strengthen your willpower and resourcefulness. Next on our list is diving into the world of do-it-yourself projects. Why buy when you can create? Getting hands-on and making things yourself can save a ton of money, especially when it comes to gifts, home decor, and even some basic home repairs. For instance, making a birthday gift or crafting a piece of art for your home not only adds a personal touch, but also keeps your wallet happy. You don't need to be a master craftsman. Simple online tutorials can guide you through making anything from a picture frame to knitting a scarf. Plus, engaging in DIY, which is do-it-yourself projects, can be a very rewarding and relaxing hobby. Cooking at home and meal planning are economical choices that prevent frequent dining out, reducing both food waste and unnecessary spending. This method promotes better portion control and efficient use of resources, stretching both food and budget further. Using public transportation instead of driving can drastically cut daily costs, including expenses on fuel and car upkeep, while also offering a less stressful commute. This not only saves money, but also benefits the environment and personal well-being. Starting gradually can help ease the transition. Next up, let's talk about the benefits of buying in bulk. This can be a great strategy for saving money on non-perishable items like toiletries, dry goods, and other staples that you use regularly. The key here is to buy items that you know you'll use before they expire and that you have enough storage space for. Shopping at warehouse clubs or choosing larger pack sizes at your regular grocery store can offer significant savings. However, it's crucial to avoid the trap of buying items you don't need just because they're on sale or available in bulk. Stick to your list and focus on products you're certain to use. Moving into the realm of digital and financial savvy, let's discuss how you can make rewards and cashback programs work in your favor. Many of us use credit cards, mobile apps, and loyalty programs daily without maximizing their potential benefits. By choosing cards and apps that offer cashback or points on your regular purchases like groceries or gas, you can accumulate significant savings or rewards over time. Be sure to pay off your balances each month to avoid interest charges, which can negate the benefits. Also, regularly review the rewards programs to ensure they align with your spending habits, and don't be tempted to spend more just to earn points. Another often overlooked way to save is by opting for secondhand or refurbished goods. This is particularly effective for expensive items like electronics, furniture, and even cars. Websites, thrift stores, and refurbished goods retailers often offer items that are as good as new at a fraction of the cost. Not only does this save you money, but it's also a more sustainable shopping practice, reducing waste and the demand for new resources. When shopping secondhand, always check for quality and functionality to ensure you're getting a good deal. Next, let's tackle one of the more significant household expenses, utility bills. Reducing your utility costs isn't just about cutting back on usage, it's about smarter usage. Start by evaluating your electricity consumption. Simple changes like switching to LED bulbs, unplugging devices when not in use, and optimizing the use of your heating and cooling systems can lead to noticeable reductions in your monthly bills. Consider investing in smart home devices like thermostats that adjust the temperature based on your schedule and habits, potentially saving you a lot of money in the long run. Additionally, water bills can be trimmed by fixing leaks and installing low-flow shower heads and faucets. If you have a lawn, optimizing your watering schedule to early morning or late evening to prevent evaporation can also reduce water usage significantly. These small adjustments not only lower your bills, but also contribute to a more sustainable home. Finally, review your monthly subscriptions. In the digital age, it's easy to accumulate subscriptions for streaming services, apps, and other online platforms. Take a moment to assess what you truly use and value. Often people find they are paying for multiple services that overlap in content or are rarely used. Canceling unnecessary subscriptions can free up quite a bit of money each month. Make it a routine to review these expenses every few months to keep your budget tight and focused on what matters most to you. Now, for our final call to action. I encourage you to pick at least one of these strategies to implement starting today. Whether it's setting up an automatic savings transfer or planning your meals for the week, each small step is a stride towards greater financial freedom and efficiency. Share your chosen method in the comments below, along with any personal tips you might have. Your experiences can inspire others to start their own journey towards saving. Remember, the goal here isn't just to save money, it's also about improving the quality of your life by reducing waste, enhancing your creativity, and making more conscious choices. Thank you for joining me in this video. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more content like this. Let's keep learning and growing together. Catch you in the next video where we'll explore another fascinating topic that will help you enhance your daily life. Stay smart, stay savvy, and keep saving. Goodbye for now.